Racing just is started. Where is Nerf? Break quickly restart. Moving up on the outside, security force in the middle portion. Sakis Fred, caught in the act, Pink Lady. Then next online now is Has Magic. Granil Eurofa comes next. Down on the inside is JST Chapel Guard. While Bayou Data is the early trailer, and as they swing down the back, we have his Nerf by about 3 lengths, caught in the act in second. Moving up on the outside now is Pink Lady. Alongside now is Saki's friend, then followed by Security Force. Europa Granil comes next, Has Magic, Chapel Guard, JST, and Biodata. Inside the 3 octavo, where is Nerf? Caught in the act is down on the inside. Moving up on the outside now is Pink Lady. Then next online now is Security Force. Then followed by Europa, Saki's friend. Then next online now is Granil. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have his Nerf moving up on the outside, Pink Lady. Then here comes Security Force as they swing for home. We have Pink Lady, is Nerf, Europa is down on the inside. And on the outside now is Security Force. We have Pink Lady, followed by Snurf in second, Europa, and finally is Pink Lady, Europa, Snurf. Then comes Security Force, caught in the act, and Granil for your Super 6.
160.